Can you search X, formerly Twitter, with an image? The short answer is yes, but not directly inside X itself. X does not offer a built-in reverse image search button, so if you want to find a profile, a post, or the original source of an image, you'll need to use a third-party tool or a search engine like Google Images or TinEye. In this video, I'll show you the easiest ways to do it step by step on your PC, and if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this one. Let's get into it. First, if you're trying to find a Twitter or X profile based on someone's profile picture, one option is to use a specialized tool like Lessie AI. Open your browser and go to the Lessie AI Twitter profile search page. Once the page loads, look for the image upload box, click it, and upload the photo you want to search with. After that, click search and let the tool scan for possible matching X profile pictures. If there's a match, it can show you a result that links to the account. Just remember, this type of tool may be paid, so it may not be a free option. Now, if your goal is to find where an image was originally posted on X, the better method is to use a reverse image search engine. Start by saving the image to your computer, or if you already have the direct image link, copy that instead. Then open Google Images or TinEye in your browser. On Google Images, click the camera icon in the search bar. On TinEye, you can upload the file or paste the image URL. Once you do that, let the search run. After the results appear, look carefully for pages that mention Twitter or X. A very helpful trick is to add a keyword filter like site, twitter.com if you're searching in Google. That helps narrow the results to X posts only. You can also combine that with the person's name, a hashtag, or a few words related to the post. This makes it much easier to find the exact tweet or account connected to the image. If you don't get a direct result right away, try a few variations. Use the original image if possible, because cropped or compressed versions may reduce accuracy. You can also test different search engines, since Google Images and TinEye sometimes find different results. If the image is a profile photo, a face search or avatar search tool may work better. If it's a screenshot or meme, a general reverse image search usually gives better results. So yes, you can search X with an image, but the process happens through outside tools, not inside the app itself. For profile searches, try a dedicated image matching tool. For finding the original tweet or post, use Google Images or TinEye and filter for Twitter or X. That's the fastest way to track down where an image came from. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.